rock and roll! Hey, what's up? I'm Luigi and this is Beers and Stuff. Hey, kamusta? Ang muling pagbabalik. Another day, another review, or another week, another review. And today is a very special review. Kasi nga, if you don't know, well, so before we start, I'd like to thank 8 Wolves, especially Mr. Shandman Fontanilla, is that right? Yes, thank you very much for sending us your product, and I hope many more to come, hopefully. And I'll make sure I'll do my best to make this review as detailed and as accurate as possible. Okay, so bear with me, guys, and let's go. So guys, you know what to do if you're watching. Yeah, I can see you. So moving on, ito nga yung yung beard and shave oil nila. Sa mga beardos out there, if you're into beards and beard care, beard products, beard trimming, beard etc., maybe this is the right channel for you. Okay? Sit. Don't. Okay, enough of that. Parang overexcite ako . Then later on, I will break it down for you guys. You know, the usual routine. Is it good? Kung mare-recommend ko ba ito sa inyo, or if not, you should basta yung mga ganun factors, di ba? So before that, maybe I'll do a hair check muna. I'm doing hairstyling products and beard care products, and what I'm gonna do is, kung ngayon beard oils tayo, then kaya ako mag hair check. So kung i-review naman ko ng hairstyling products, then magbi-beard check naman ako. So here goes. 8 Wolves Sour Blue. Okay, hair check. Yan, hair check. Nothing much. So anyway, let's move on. Ito nga. See? Look at that. Ahoy, mateys! It's a parrot. And then nakalagay dyan sa gilid, beard and shave oil by 8 Wolves. So sa likod naman, you know, usual directions, ingredients, manufacturer. There you go. It says 100% natural, 24 months once you opened it. Then yung size or weight, it's 40 ml, and 8 Wolves logo. Before ito na nga eh. So let's see what the company says about their product. So here goes. So 8 Wolves Beard and Shave Oil was first produced way back 2015 and was relabeled twice. It has a lavender, orange, and cedarwood scent. And let's go over the ingredients. It has argan oil, vitamin E oil, almond oil, castor oil, golden jojoba oil, sunflower seed oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, and essential oils para dun sa scent. Then size niya nga is 40 mils. Nakalagay siya sa amber glass bottle. And this is 400 pesos. Okay? Keep that in mind. So sa company description naman, it is a dual-purpose oil for beard grooming and shaving, made from all natural oils for moisturizing and reinvigorating your skin and beard. Prevents flaking and restores the natural shine of your beard. It can also be used for shaving. This smoothens out the area to be shaved, closes pores to prevent follicle damage while shaving, and gives you a tighter and smooth shaving. It has argan, almond, and jojoba oil that moisturizes the beard, and easily absorbs and reduces inflammation. It also prevents ingrown beard growth. Contains vitamin E to prevent the skin from flaking. Okay, so ayun na nga yung yung company description. So what better way to make the most of this review? Ano ba nga ba yung purpose ng review na to is syempre iti-test natin yung product, di ba? Although I've used this like a week now, so ayan, try natin. But first, papakita ko sa inyo yung consistency niya. Ayan, you can see it's like liquid gold, you know. Yeah, it's slightly thick yung consistency, pero test natin sa sa palms. Okay, so I usually use 3 to 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say 5. Yeah. Okay, then rub. Ooh, lavender. What's that? It's orange and cedarwood. Yes, yung scent niya, very refreshing. It's very cool. It's very fresh. It's very clean. It's tangy. And ano pa ba? It's tangy and it smells like spring. Ganun. And apply na natin. Kasi hindi pa ako naglalagay eh. So, ayan. Spread it around. Use your fingers. Sideways. From here, from the bottom, going up. Huwag kakalimutan yung bigote. At bigote at balbas. Alam niyo naman na siguro yun. So don't worry about the excess. Meron talaga yan. And by the way, once in-apply mo na siya sa hindi naman talaga yung beard oil para sa balbas eh. It's for the skin. It's for moisturizing your skin to prevent dryness, flaking, itchiness, stuff like that. So work your way through sa roots. Yan. And pag may excess, pwede yung skin. Rub it into your skin. Yeah. Very good moisturizer. There we go. It's very refreshing. Slightly dry. I'm not saying dry na tuyo ha. It only feels dry pag in-apply mo siya sa balbas mo or sa skin. Kasi it's thick in consistency, kaya it coats your beard and na-absorb ng skin mo right away. And kaya yun nga, may vitamin E to prevent flaking and dryness. So after mo i-apply, syempre you brush it with your trusty boar bristle brush. So ganyan ang pag-brush ha. Then after mo i-brush, syempre kung gusto mo naman na straight siya, use your wooden comb. And meron ako nabiling bago sa Fuzzy Crafts Studio sa Mega Mall. Nung pumunta kami sa Mega Mall last few days ago, doon may bazaar doon sa Mega Mall eh. So shout out kay Jello dyan. Hindi sponsored to just shout out sa mga natin. Kung gusto niyo magpa-customize ng example, itong comb na to, madami pa. I-link ko na lang sa baba yung Facebook, Instagram, tsaka yung contact number niya. Okay? Not contact number, sa Facebook niya lang. Check out his Facebook page. Oh, Jello, you're watching this. Ito na. Okay? Yan. See? Yan. Customize, so. Palagay ka ng sticker. Madami pa silang products na in-offer. So, Check it out. Look at that. Who wants this? Who wants this? Ooh, saucy. Okay, so move on. So, my thoughts about the product. Yes. Siyempre, I think it's a traditional beard oil and all the necessary ingredients, essential oil, carrier oils, nandun naman na eh. So, ano pang hinahanap mo, di ba? And what more? Yun nga, it has a great cologne scent na very fresh if you're into that. Or kung gusto mo naman musky or masculine. Meron pa namang iba dyan, but for me, I prefer yung mga ganitong scent. Not too strong, not too sharp sa ilong. It's just very, very cool and refreshing and subtle. Ooh, I can't help smelling my fingers. Then, ano nga to, beard and shave oil, but for me, I don't really recommend this as, before shave mo daw to i-apply para ganun smooth daw yung pag-shave mo. But sabi ko nga, I don't recommend na gamitin mo to para before shaving product, better use shave butter ba yan? Shave cream or foam, kasi kung ito yung gagamitin mo para mag-shave ka, sayang naman, di ba? I think much better kung i-apply mo siya after mag-shave para hindi ka mangati, hindi mag-dry yung skin mo, then it moisturizes your skin. And the value for money, it's 400 pesos for 40 mils. I think okay naman siya sa price point kasi 40 mils eh. And meron nga iba dyan na 20 mils, 500 pesos or higher, ganon. I've checked. And meron din 15 mils for 480 pesos. Things like that. You should also consider yung price, di ba? But this, I think, nasa okay siya na price point. Kasi 40 mils nga, so matagal-tagal mo rin maubos yun. But I'll say this again, once you open the bottle, it will last for 24 months or 2 years. So I think maubos mo naman yan before 2 years, di ba? Although may concern ako, it's because I'll show you na lang. Yung pinakauna kong beard oil ko na nagamit, ito. And it's 30 ml. Right? This is 30 ml, right? And this one, ubos na to. It's 15 ml. See the size? Right? 15, 30. And, oh crap. And look at this. This is 40 ml. 30, 40. Yeah? So I think the company should look into this situation. But no, don't buy this. This is crap.
Dude, crap!
And this one, although na-review ko na rin naman to, I have mixed feelings about it.
Oh no!
If you wanna know, if you wanna find out, I'll make another video about it. Diba? And eto nga, 8 Wolves, Mr. Shand, I think the company should look into this. 30 mil, 40 mil. Yeah. I have to do it because, this is an honest review. I need to be honest 100%. So, love it or hate it, but please don't hate. I'm just doing what I can. Right?
Yeah!
So, there you go, guys. I recommend this product to you. Yeah, it's good. It smells good. Freshens up your beard. Ganon nga. And meron pa pala silang beard balm. I mean, combo dapat duo. Gusto nyo review ko yung beard balm, mag-comment lang kayo sa baba, okay? Mag-comment kayo sa baba.
Yeah!
kung gusto nyo i-review natin yung beard balm nila. Okay. 8 Wolves, if you're listening. And one more thing, pahabol pala sa mga nagtatanong dyan kung nakakapagpatubo ba ng buhok, ng bigote, ng balbas, yung beard oil. I'll say it once again. I will not tire of saying this. Maybe, I don't know, maybe someday. Beard oil does not stimulate beard growth. Period. 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 Tusukin ko mata mo. Joke lang. We're all friends here, family.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think that's it for today, guys. I'll see you next week, or I'll make videos as frequently as I can. Okay, kailangan kumabol kasi may mga I lacked. No, hindi naman lacked. You know, I missed a few weeks of recording. So, abangan nyo next week kung anong susunod natin na re-review. And by the way, may announcement ako. Giveaways are coming up. So, follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for possible update on ground rules, mechanics rules, stuff like that. But nag-aalangan din ako mag-giveaway kasi gusto ko yung makaka-receive ng giveaway is deserving talaga, not just other people na nandito lang para sa giveaways. I want the people to be here for me, for this channel, for stuff I do, you know, for their community. Okay, so but we'll see. Okay, parang tagal na ng video na to. So, yun na lang siguro. So, abangan nyo. Follow me on social media. If you're new here, like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more awesome videos every week. Or, you know, tomorrow, the day after that. Okay, parang corny na. So, yun na lang siguro. See you on the next one. And once again, you're watching the most awesome, amazing, fantastic YouTube channel to date! I'm Luigi, and you're watching Beers and Stuff.